Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, that generation year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the wastegate control solenoid is located, which fuse you need to check. It could be under a different name, by the way, where to buy cheap fuses, relays from, and why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So right here, guys, for the wastegate control solenoid, we'll demonstrate on 2016 F-150. You have 2 fuse boxes. We will need to open the fuse box that's located right under the hood in the engine bay. Once you open that fuse the hood, guys, under the engine, right behind the car battery, you have a fuse box right here. If you remove that cover, you're going to see a fuse box and a layout that will look just like this one. This one will be towards the front of your F-150. This is towards the windshield side, okay, right here. Before we continue now, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So check it out, guys. You have different kinds of fuses, okay, relays that could be really overpriced, hard to find in the middle of nowhere or small towns, and you may be stuck because of a blown fuse. We'll recommend, guys, to buy some. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. Keep some spares in the glove box for a peace of mind. So the fuse for the wastegate control solenoid, okay, wastegate actuator, guys, will be, you can see right here in that fuse panel, and if you come in that right row from bottom to top, that third 10M fuse, guys, that 10M fuse is the one that you will need to check, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.